Hello friends. Today we would be learning about these patterns. So we will start from this pattern and we will do the reverse of this to get this over here. We will combine both of this and we will get this pattern, pyramid pattern. Okay. Just learning this, we can learn this one and this one also. Okay. So it's not so difficult. So to get this one, first we will do this one, and then we will do this one. To get the combination of both, we will get this. What is this? This is the white spaces. Okay, this is the white spaces over here. If we add white space over here, then it will add this and this, then we'll give this one. As we can see over here at the end, there is no white space over here, so we would, that's a 3 2 1, that's how it go 3 2 1. So we don't need this one. Okay, we will adjust it afterwards, but for start we will learn this one also. First look at this one. So as I is increasing, column j is decreasing. Okay, so as I equal to 0, all columns are present. As I equal to 1, so 1 column decreases. As I equal to 2, 2 columns decreases. As I equal to 3, 3 column decreases, as you can see over here. Okay, so what we can learn from this, that's a 4 n minus I, that's n minus I. Here it's 4, there are 4 columns, 0 1 2 3 4, so 4 minus I. I is 0, I is 1, so it becomes 3, I is 2, so it becomes 2. Okay, so hope you got that. So I've actually done this before, so but we need this is the final output. Okay, but we would do whole again to get over here. Okay, so to get this output, we will start from for this output. Okay, first, okay, for 2 for loops. So 2 for loops. This is not so difficult. If you have seen my previous videos, you will get that very easily. We don't need this ln because we don't want to go in next line every time, so consider that. And we need to go in the next row always, so that's why we would take one line over here as out, as so system.out.println. Okay, so here we would need we are taking off 4 ones, 4. So okay, and so as I said before, this is 4 minus I, n minus I, that is 4 minus I. So we got this output. Okay, as we have seen before, let's keep it this only, then I will adjust it afterwards in program, then you will understand better. Okay, now again I will take the 2 for loops, just paste it over here, this copy and paste, comment this section. Now we would work on this one, this thing, this one. Okay, so here you can see as 1 3 5 7, this is increasing in this way. So at I 0, the 0 column is present, 1, this column, 3 columns are present. As you can see, this is keep on getting increasing. You can look over here as 2, you can do this 2 into I plus 1, as 2 is I 0, so 2 into I 0 plus 1, there's a 1 star. If I is 1, so 2 into 1 2 plus 1, that's 3 stars. That's 3, it keeps on going over here. Okay, as let's see this also, 2 into 2, that's 4 plus 1, that's 5 star. Okay, if we have, instead of 0 1 2 3, if we start from 1 2 3 4, you would have to add over here 2 into I minus 1, the formula would change over here. Okay, just remember the formula only, there's nothing else. If you can see, but logic is same also. Okay, here you need just 2 into I plus 1, 2 into I plus 1, that's it. See, 1 3 5 7. Okay, so now we would add this. Now we need this white spaces and plus this. As you can see, this 3 2 1 and there is a 0 over here, so 3 2 1, so we don't need this one, so we will start I equal to 1. Okay, for when we will combine this, we will do this. Okay, I equal to 1, so the 3 2 1. So this is the white spaces one, so we will start this, copy this and paste it over here, as we need the white space first. And we will start from, if suppose we don't do this I equal to 1, j equal to 1 over here, so what will happen, see. Okay, we have to do white space. See, this extra is extra white space over here, which we don't need. This extra white space come over here, this extra white space, so we don't need this. So we will just start it from I equal j equal to 1, so this space will go. Okay, we got the first pyramid, we got this pyramid. Okay, now we have to just upside down, do it upside down. To get upside down, we just want to we need to just change one for loop. When we have to just change changes over here, as you have to do upside down. Just copy this and paste this. We will comment this for a little bit, for time bit we will comment this. For to get upside down, we have to do changes over here. We have to make it this as the maximum, that is a 3, and here we have to do I greater than equal to 0, and this will be I minus minus. Okay, what I have done, I equal to 3, I greater than equal to 0. As maximum is I equal to 3, and we started okay, this is not, don't consider this one. Okay, just consider this upper one, I equal to 3, I 0 1 2 3. Okay, I am starting 0 1 2 3, and 0 is like the minimum and 3 is the maximum, so that's why I took away a 0 as the minimum, equal to, and 3 as the maximum. Okay, so this should be upside down now. Okay, expected over here, where over here. Okay, see, we got the upside down. Let's combine both of this, upper pyramid and lower pyramid, to get the final output. Upper pyramid and the lower pyramid to get the final output. So we got the final output, except we don't need this one, so we will start, instead of 3, started from 2. Okay, it will give that output. See, we got the final output over here. Hope you got that. I will request you to watch my previous videos if you haven't understood it before, because this is the same formulas which I am using again and again. You will understand it more better if you go step by step. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Okay, thank you so much.